Right guys, well I cannot believe how many messages I have received from you guys. We've done the petrol test where we quickly measured the fuel to see if we were getting 5 litres. Now we've done that for the petrol, but you guys have sent me so many messages, we are going to quickly go and do diesel. Are we getting 5 litres? Are we being missold? I will go and check some fuel garages, and then I think what we'll do some tests on some ethanol to see how much ethanol there is in the fuel that we're being supplied. So, without further ado, let's get down to the fuel garage, and what we're going to do, I've listened to your comments. You don't want me to do a mainstream fuel garage. You want me to do one of the little independents. We're going to head across the garage now, and I think it used to be a Merco garage, which has been taken over by another brand, which I'm not sure about, I've not heard about. So, let's go and see if we get dispensed 5 litres. We'll bring it back here, use the same jug that we've always used. We'll measure 5 litres and see whether we've got 5 litres of diesel or whether the little independents are having us over. Right, the fuel garage that we'll be going to, it used to be a Merco garage, which is on Key Street roundabout as you head towards Sittingbourne. Now, this has been taken over not that long ago, so no one actually knows what sort of petrol garage this is going to be. So this is the first time we've been there. We are going to be testing the diesel. We won't be using our mobile phones. We will be on the Ray-Bans. So there'll be no need for the comments of you shouldn't be using a recording device at a petrol garage. People are saying that it's illegal to use a phone at a petrol garage. So we won't be doing that. This is just for entertainment purposes as well. We will see if we get 5 litres or not. So let's head over and into the garage. So we are coming down to Key Street roundabout where there is some road works going on at the moment. The petrol garage in question, if you're coming from the A2 or the A249, is basically on this roundabout. As you head towards Sittingbourne, we will be coming up to the petrol garage, which will be on our left. Very interesting. Never ever heard of this fuel brand before, but we are at 141.9 for diesel. So let's go and see if we get dispensed 5 litres or not. Right, let's see. So we are at diesel 141.9. So let's go and get the fuel can out. And we'll do the same thing as we always do, where I will show you guys there is nothing in this fuel can. Can you see that? Nothing in there at all. So let's see if we can get 5 litres without spilling it. Nothing coming out. We're going to do 5 litres now. Let's see if we can do it without spilling it. See if we can try and get it in without going over. Right, ready? Right, can you see that, everyone? 5 litres, £7.10. Can you see down here? Are we happy that there's nothing coming out of there? So we'll put that back. Put the lid on there so you can see we have got 5 litres, £7.10. Let's go and pay. Number 4. There we go, people. 5 litres at £1.41.9, £7.10p. Let's see what we got. Right, people, so that is the 5 litre sample from a petrol garage called Valerio. I've got absolutely no idea how to pronounce it, but you guys wanted a fuel garage which was not the mainstream garages that we always see, your BPs, your Shells, your supermarkets. So we're going to do a completely random, This one was £7.10. We've got 5 litres in here, hopefully. We've got the same jug that we always do. We have got the same spirit level. So if you come round here, you can see that that is completely level. And we're going to be using the torch for a backlight, so you can see exactly where we land. But what was that? £7.10. I don't think it was the most expensive fuel that we've tested, but we have got loads of fuel testing videos for you to see if you want to go back and see. Let's go. What do you reckon? What are we at? 2? 2.5? 3? 3.5? 4? Oh, this is feeling good. 4.5? Well, there we go, people. You wanted me to do a garage that nobody had heard of. We've done 4 or 5 fuel tests now. This is the first of the diesel. We made sure there was no diesel in the line before we started the test. And I've literally drained it as much as I can get out for now. Come on. Every last little bit is out. So, what have we got, people? What have we got? I would say, if I move that, does that help you? There we go. Absolutely, if anything, slightly over. But that is the first of our diesel tests. And that is a garage that we've never heard of as a brand. So, nothing to report here. We've done exactly what you guys have asked us to do. So there's no hate needed in the comment section. You've asked for it. We've delivered it. I think what we need to do now, if you want me to continue testing a few garages, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I think we'll move on to ethanol content, because it seems to be cropping up more and more now about the fuel in the UK, about how much ethanol is being used. But you let me know, guys. Do you want me to continue doing some more diesel testing, or would you like to see the ethanol content in the fuel? As always, guys, if you like the tests and you like the work that we're doing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We have got 270, 280 videos on our YouTube channel where we'll be repairing vehicles, showing you how to do it. We'll be doing fuel testing. We're going to see supercars. We're building race cars. We're doing European road trips in the cars. So if you like anything to do with automotive or the automotive world, don't forget to give us a like, share and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing and it means everything to us. We'll see you on the next one.